As you saw in this course, icons are extremely useful for design and video design. There are tons of icons out there and you can find exactly those that you need. So I already talked to you about the Noun project, and personally I think that they have the most extensive database of icons. You can literally find any icons that you want here. But there are also other sources. For example, PowerPoint itself has icons. When you go on Insert, you simply click here, Icons. And you can already see some pretty good ones. But of course, the number of icons that you find here is very limited compared to the Noun project. But still, you can have some here. Another interesting resource is called Font Awesome. So, you go here, Font Awesome, then you click here on Download, and you take Font Awesome 4, because I guess you have to pay for the latest one. Maybe not, I don't know. And then you install it just like you install a font. See here, fonts. And then you install this one, Font Awesome webfont.ttf. And what's really interesting about it is that then you have it inside PowerPoint. For example, let's write something. I already have this font installed. It's called Font Awesome. Here, Font Awesome. But obviously, this doesn't look like anything. So to find the right icons, you need to go back on their website. And here you need to find the cheat sheet. But honestly, I don't even know where to click to find it. So let me go through Google. It will be easier, which is weird. So type Font Awesome cheat sheet. Okay. Well, okay. fontawesome.io/cheat sheet. All right. And so here you have all the icons of this font. So just so you understand, these icons are inside the font itself. They are like letters. And then from here, you just need to copy. For example, let's say you want this icon here. So you select it, you copy it, and then you paste it inside PowerPoint. But of course, this, for some reason, the font unselected itself. So you go back here and you choose Font Awesome. And here you have your icon. And then to change the size, well, you do it just like a regular font. You can also choose the color, for example. So this is a very good resource. The only problem is that it's not easy to find icons. And here they are shown in a very small size. That's the only downside. But otherwise, it's also a pretty extensive library of icons. And finally, the last thing is, how do you change the color of the icons from the Noun project? So basically, what you need to do is you need to download the SVG file, not the PNG, but this SVG file, right? And then with this one, you can literally do whatever you want. All right, so let's insert it. All right. So here we have our icon, and when you go on Format, you can fill the graphic, and you can also choose a different outline. You see? Wait. It really depends on the icon that you downloaded. So this is pretty good. I didn't show it to you in the beginning for simplicity, but you can customize absolutely every icon from the Noun project. So this is really, really cool. And you can also apply some effects on it. See, and the effects also apply on every single component of this icon. So it's very, very interesting. Now, what to do when it comes to images? Let's say you want to insert an image on your PowerPoint. Well, the thing is that if you insert any random image, usually the colors, the design of this image will not fit with the rest of your PowerPoint design. So here, once again, it depends on who you are doing this video for. If it's for an online course, well, it's not a big deal. Like I said, the design is not very important. However, if you do a YouTube video or a promo video, what I suggest is to show images on full screen. So you take the biggest images and you don't put like an image like here, for example. You really take an image which takes all the screen size like this, and only then it will look beautiful. So you make some good transition between the slides and you find some nice picture that takes the whole screen and not put small pictures here and then some title here, some title here. This you can do it for online courses, like I said, but usually independent images on video like this, it's really tough to get them to fit well with all the rest of your design. However, what is very important is that I will talk more about it in detail when you will choose some random huge pictures to fill out all the slide of your video. It's very important to choose pictures that look beautiful, and especially to avoid the obvious stock images. And this is something that I will talk about in a lecture called What You Should Not Do, the things to avoid.